Hi there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip the position of the related products and the upsell in X and Pro themes. So X and Pro positions the related products first and the upsell next. So to override this positioning, we need to add this we go to our child themes function set PHP first, and we paste this code. So as you can see, X and Pro adds an action to reposition the related products and the upsell section. We can revert that using this code. So let's save this. I'll post the code in the description, by the way, so please check it out. So I'll reload my product page now. And it's flipped now. Hope that helps.